Hi everyone, this is Gurmil here and I'm a health coach, and I have a huge purpose as a health coach. I want to help 1,000 people get healthy, alright, by just doing simple daily things in their lives and lead a healthier lifestyle, and hopefully they can cut down on their medication and not take medication. Alright, so that's my huge purpose as a health coach. So with that, I want to show you today another healthy recipe, a very quick healthy recipe, which I'm very sure we all can do. All right, and that is just one healthy nugget that I'm passing on. So if you want more healthy recipes and demonstrations, just check out my Facebook post, previous posts, and if you like anything, if you think someone else is going to benefit from it, please share these recipes and demonstrations. All right, so what I'm making today is called an almond milk smoothie. All right, it's amazing for breakfast. Okay, make it, watch this and make sure you try and let me know how you go. Okay, so what I've got here is a cup of almond milk. All right, what you're going to do is put the almond milk in first. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure you put the almond milk in first. All right, that's 1 cup. And then I have 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt, which goes in. Okay, there we go. So that's done. And I've got 2 cups of spinach. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to put in half a banana. Alright, so can you imagine how this is going to be? In the morning, get up and this is what's going into your cells, into your bloodstream. Can you just imagine that? Just visualize that, alright, all this healthy stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to break that in. Alright, and we are ready to go. Yep, we've got everything in. Feel free, I mean, after you've done it the first time, taste it and see. Maybe you want to put in cinnamon, alright, or you want to put some other topping like nuts. Feel free to do that. All right, just a quick blaze here. Okay, here we go. So we got that. Oh, it looks yummy. It looks like mint. All right, it really looks like something minty. So what I'm going to do is take it off. I've got a little interesting cup here this time, and I'm going to put that in. Okay, let me try. Okay. So can you imagine giving this to your children in the morning? Alright, it's as healthy as ever. Let me just try how it feels. Yum. Definitely yum. And your children are not going to know, or no one's going to know that there are 2 cups of spinach in there. And the color looks really interesting. Alright, so that's what I've got today. A very, very, very simple smoothie. Because I like very simple recipes, very quick. Alright, so that's what I'm going to share with you today. So it's an almond milk smoothie, and this almond milk, I made it myself. You can buy the ones from the store if you want to, or you can make it yourself, which is very simple. And there you go. All right, in 5 seconds. All right, that's it for today. And like I said, if you found this interesting, please share. I really appreciate that. All right, take care. See you again. Bye.